Your accident was over a year ago. Life got in the way, and now you're wondering if you've missed your chance. In Alabama, the general rule is 2 years. Most personal injury claims have to be filed within 2 years of the injury, and wrongful death claims within 2 years of the date of death. Miss that deadline, and the claim is barred for good, no matter how strong it was. 2 years sounds like plenty, and then it isn't. The clock on a personal injury claim starts on the date you were hurt. For a wrongful death claim, it's different in an important way. It runs from the date of death, not from the underlying injury, and Alabama courts treat that as a hard line that generally can't be extended. So the two clocks can start on different days, and you have to know which one applies to you. Here's the trap that catches people. If your claim is against a city or a county, a crash with a government vehicle, a dangerous public road, you may face a separate notice deadline that's far shorter than 2 years, sometimes as little as 6 months. These government notice rules run quietly in the background, and blowing one can end a claim you otherwise had every right to bring. When a public entity might be involved, treat the calendar as urgent from day one. There are a few narrow exceptions that can pause the clock for minors or when an injury genuinely couldn't have been discovered right away. But they're limited, they're fact-specific, and the insurance company will fight you on whether they apply. The safe assumption is that you have 2 years or less, and that waiting is the enemy. One important caveat: this is general legal information, not legal advice. And the exact deadline for your situation depends on facts I can't see. Who's at fault? Whether a government entity is involved? How old you were? If there's any chance your window is running low, see a licensed attorney right away, ideally well before the deadline, because a missed filing date is the one mistake that can't be undone. So, figure 2 years for most Alabama injury claims, 2 years from the death for wrongful death, and much less when a city or county is involved. Don't lean on the exceptions. And if the clock is anywhere close, act now. A barred claim can't be revived. Everything I mentioned is linked below, including the full written guide with sources. This is New Lore for the Vance Law Firm Injury Lawyers.